Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Eggs, they're truly incredible. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or even a quick dinner, eggs are a go-to for so many of us. But have you ever wondered how to make them truly perfect? It's easier than you might think. In this video, we're diving into the simple secrets behind creating delicious, restaurant-quality eggs every single time. Get ready to elevate your morning routine. Before we even crack an egg, let's talk about preparation. You'll want a quality nonstick pan, ideally 8 or 10 inches, and a flexible silicone spatula. Fresh eggs are key, along with a little butter or your favorite cooking oil. Don't forget your basic seasonings. Salt and pepper are truly essential. For the best results, try letting your eggs come to room temperature for 10 minutes before cooking. They simply cook more evenly. For wonderfully fluffy scrambled eggs, start by cracking your eggs into a bowl. Add a splash of milk or cream, then whisk gently until just combined. Melt a small knob of butter in your nonstick pan over low to medium-low heat. Pour in the egg mixture. Now, stir constantly but gently, allowing large, soft curds to form. Remove them from the heat just when they are still slightly wet. This helps prevent overcooking, ensuring they stay beautifully soft and moist. For a classic fried egg aiming for that beautiful runny yolk, heat a tablespoon of butter or oil in your nonstick pan over medium-low heat. It should just shimmer. Carefully crack your egg into the pan, taking care not to break the yolk. Cook slowly, letting the whites set completely. For an extra tender top, spoon a little hot butter or oil over the yolk. This gently cooks it without flipping. It yields a perfect, tender white with a wonderfully warm, liquid center. Once your eggs are cooked to perfection, the final touch is crucial: seasoning. Always add a generous pinch of salt and a grind of fresh black pepper right after they come off the heat. Feel free to get creative with toppings too. A sprinkle of fresh chives, a dash of your favorite hot sauce, or even some shredded cheese can really enhance your dish. Remember, cooking eggs is all about practice and preference. Keep trying different methods until you find your favorite way to enjoy your delicious, homemade eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.